Hello children, good morning. Welcome to today's CBS class. Children, in the previous session we have learned the features of living things. What are those children? Some features of living being. Tell me. Yes, living being need a food. All living organism need a food. Food is given to the living being for energy. Food is a very important, some basic needs. This is one of the basic needs. Okay, and then to respire, living being to respire, you have to breathe in for oxygen, breathe out for carbon dioxide. All living being need a respire. Respire means breathe. Okay, next to grow, all living being grow, all living being to grow. You have to put a seed in the soil, to seed grow up to the plant. So these are the process of living things or plants. Germinate and sapling. Germinate means what children? Have to put the seed inside the soil. Of next process germinate, ಮೊಳಕೆ ಹೊಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ. Next sapling, yes, ಗಿಡವಾಗಿ ಬೆಳೆಯುತ್ತೆ. This is also grow. All living being grow. For a human being also have to grow. Have to first child, after teenage, after adult, and then old age. These are the grow process, life cycle. And then to move, all living being to move to one place to another because of food or shelter. And then some of the animals have to search the water also. These are the living being, all living being move to one place to another. So plants also move. For example, sunflower. Sunflower move to the direction of sunrise. Sunrise ಆಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, sunflower direction ಅನ್ನು change ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. This is one of the example for move to the living being. All living being move. Okay. Next, to reproduce. All living being reproduce same another kind of same young ones. All living being reproduce. For example, mango tree have to reproduce. For give to the seed, have to germinate and sapling. ಅದೇ ತರದ ಒಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಂಗೋ ಸೀಡ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಹಾಕಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅದೇ ತರದ್ದು ರೀಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದೇ ತರದಂತ ಸೇಮ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಯಂಗ್ ಒನ್ಸ್, ಅದೇ ತರದ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಬೆಳೆಯುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಸಮ್ ಅದರ್ ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ರೀಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್. ಆಲ್ ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ reproduce to young ones same kind and respond to the changes in the surrounding. All living beings respond to the changes, any changes. For example, winter, summer. For example, summer season, winter season. Winter season have to feel, yes, have to wear a sweater. This is a winter season. And then summer season have to have a very sweat, you have need a fan. This is how to changes in the surrounding changes ಗೆ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಹೊಂದ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. And then die, all living being die. This is also one of the process of living being die. All living things need die. Some of human being also old age have to go die. And have a life cycle. All living beings have life cycle. For example, butterfly, egg and pupa and caterpillar, another next butterfly. Yes, this is the cycle, life cycle of the one insect. All living beings have a life cycle. This is the main features of living things. What do you mean by living things? Things that have life in them are called living things. What do you mean by non-living things? Things do not have life in them are called non-living things. Next, move to the difference between animals and plants. In the last class, we have learned the features of the living being, and then today we have discussed about animals and plants. Difference between animals and plants. First difference, animals are moved from one place to The animals are move from one place to another. Plants are not. Plants are not. Plants are not move from one place to another. Yes. Here first point. Here difference between the animals and plants. First point, animals are move from one place to another. All animals, for example, human being. The human being have to search the food, any other work, move from one place to another place. Don't steal one side. Okay, human being also don't steal one side. All human being process one place to move from one place to another. For example, either food, water, or shelter, or money. If any work, do from one place to another. Don't steal one side. Animals, any animals. For example, wild animals also, tiger, lion, elephant. These animals move from one place to another place. For example, they move because of food or water or shelter. These and birds also move from one place to another place because of food, water, if any other needs completed to have a suffer from one place to another place. And then plants are not move from one place to another. Plants do not move, only stick on the one side. Yes, some other plant, mango tree have to stick on the one side. Don't move plants one place to another. This is one of the difference between animals and plants. Plants ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಡೆ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಒಂದೇ ಕಡೆ ಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಆನ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಆದರೆ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ಬರ್ಡ್ಸ್, ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳು, ಮನುಷ್ಯರು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲೇಸಿಂದ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಪ್ಲೇಸಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಹೋಗೋದು ಬರೋದು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕಾದ್ರೂ ಆಗೋದು, ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ವರ್ಕ್, ಫಾರ್ ಫುಡ್, search the food, search the jobs. So many kinds of things have to searching for one place to another. This is one of the main kinds of difference between the animals and plants. Animals are different in color. Animals are different. Animals are different in colors. Different in colors. See, animals are different in colors. So many animals, different shape, different color. For example, lion. Lion is a different color, different features of the body structure. And tiger also different colors. And peacock, birds have take a bigger peacock. Peacock is a very beautiful bird and colorful bird. And a parrot. Parrot is a green color, big is red color. So different animals are different in colors. But plants are green in color. But plants are green in color. Green in color. Yes. You can see in your surrounding children, all plants, which color? All plants also green in color. But animals are different colors. So many animals, so many kinds of animals, different shape, different kinds. Okay. But plants are only green in color. This is one of the difference between the animals and the plants. And plants are green in color. Both living and plants prepare their own food. This is one of the main points. Plants prepare their own food. Already I told children in the lesson, all plants prepare their own food for the help of sunrise. This is known as the photosynthesis. In the process, process begins to the leaf of the plant. This is known as the stomata. Plants ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೊಮ್ಯಾಟಾ ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ತನ್ನ ಫುಡ್ ಅನ್ನ ಓನ್ ಫುಡ್ ಅನ್ನ ತಾನೇ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವುದರಿಂದ? ಸನ್ರೈಸ್ ಇಂದ. ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ಫೋಟೋ ಸಿಂಥಸಿಸ್. ಇನ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಿಧಿ ಸಂಶ್ಲೇಷಣ ಕ್ರಿಯೆ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಬರ್ಡ್ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ದೇರ್ ಫುಡ್. ಆಲ್ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಡಿಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ದೇರ್ ಓನ್ ಫುಡ್. ಎಲ್ಲ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ವಸ್ತು ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದು ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ದೇರ್ ಓನ್ ಫುಡ್. ಆದರೆ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸ್, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಗಾಡ್ ಗಿಫ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸ್. Plants depending their own do not depend the own food, but plants prepare their own food. These process have to the part of the leaf. This is known as the, in the leaf our stomata. These leaf have stomata. ಇದರ leaf ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು stomata ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಪಾಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ಒಂದು ಪಾಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫೋಟೋಸಿಂಥಸಿಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟೊಮ್ಯಾಟೊ ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಪಾಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಫೋಟೋಸಿಂಥಸಿಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್. These plants prepare their own food. This is known as the photosynthesis. But animals depending on the other animals or plants or their own food. ಆದರೆ plants ಗಳು ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಫುಡ್ ಅನ್ನ animals ಗಳು ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಫುಡ್ ಅನ್ನ ತಾವೇ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. Because of depending on other factors, other animals, other kind of anything. Okay, this is the main difference between the plants and animals. Okay, for example, you mother, did you prepare your food? No, you depend on your mother. Yes, your mother cook the food, have to eat the food. This is the depending on the animals and plants. Difference between animals and plants. You can understand the difference between plants and animals? Yes. Here, first one, animals are move from one place to other, but plants are not move from one place to another place. And then animals are different in color. All animals have a different color, but plants are green in color. Another one point, plants prepare their own food. All plants prepare their own food for the help of sunrises. This is known as a photosynthesis. These process conducted on the leaf. This process on the stomata. This is known as a photosynthesis. All plants prepare their own food. This is the main difference between the plants and animals. Can I understand this? This is the main kinds of the plants or animals. And then features of living things. You have to learn in last class. First, all living things need food. All living things to respire. All living things to grow. All living things to move. All living things reproduce. All living things respond to the changes in the surroundings and die, and then have a life cycle. This is the lesson, children. Next, I will send the notes how to write neatly, children. Okay, and then how to read your textbook also. So this is the lesson, and then some activities are there how to complete. Living being and non-living being, compare the pictures given below. Some other activities. All living beings need food. Living beings give a birth to young ones of the same kind. And one activity is there, page number 24. How to read and do this activity, children. And next lesson, the story of drop of water. In the next class, I will discuss about the new lesson. You can understand, children, in this lesson? Yes, how to complete the notes, write neatly. I will send the notes. How to complete the notes, write neatly in your EBS. Okay, thank you, children.